Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Fix This House. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to manually light your water heater using the pilot light method. Stay tuned. So you're probably like me, you're ready to take a shower, but no hot water seems to be coming out. So don't worry, don't call a specialist right away before you start doing this method first. So it's very easy and I'll show you right now. And trust me, your wife will be very happy that you got this done. But the first things first, guys, if you're in here and you smell gas anywhere near your water heater, inside your laundry room or wherever your gas heater is located, exit your house right away and call the gas company or emergency personnel so they can come in here and assess your area. If you're like me, I have an emergency gas shutoff switch, which is located near my water heater and also my cooling and air system. What I would do if I do smell gas, I would just turn that off right away and leave my house. You don't want to try to do this yourself, or you don't want to try to light the pilot when you smell gas, because it would be a very bad day. So once again, guys, if you smell gas, leave the house, call emergency personnel. So here's my gas line right here that goes to a switch. This switch is actually on the on position. It'll be on off position if it's facing on the 9 o'clock direction. So double and make sure that this is on the on position before you start doing this method. This the gas that runs through there. It feeds through the module right there, and that's pretty much the basics of it. Let me show you what's going on here. So there it is. We know that this water heater is not working at the moment. It's because the status light right here is not blinking at all. When everything is working, this usually blinks in intervals of every 2 seconds or something like that. If you look on the side of your water heater right here, I can't really show you because it's really cramped, but there's instructions on how to properly use your pilot light. What you need to do is you need to put this knob and go counterclockwise and make sure that it's on the off position. Now you have to keep that in the off position for at least 10 minutes. Well, it has to be 10 minutes. You need to leave it on the off position for 10 minutes in order for all the gases to flush out. There's actually electronics in here that will know if you cheated the system and you didn't wait 10 minutes, because everything will reset, and this is for your safety purposes. Okay, I'm gonna set it onto the pilot. Okay, and you're gonna push this in, and we're gonna push the ignite button right here every 1 second until we see this turn on, and you're gonna do this for 90 seconds or till this thing turns on. It's been about 10 minutes. So what we're gonna do is put it on the pilot, press it, and then we're gonna just keep pushing this. And we're gonna keep pushing this for 90 seconds. There you have it. You see that? So there you have it. It's now blinking. There you go. So once you set it, so once you see that blinking, so you can put it to any desired setting that you want. There you go. You can start hearing the gases flowing, and you start hearing the burner going up. So there, I don't know if you can hear it, but you can hear the burner now starting. So just as long as you see that status light blinking right there, see it's blinking every 2 seconds, then you're good to go. It's very important. Again, if you try it off like this, sometimes you're not gonna get it the first try. So once you fail after the 90 seconds, you have to turn this thing back to the off position and wait 10 minutes. Again, it's very important that you wait that 10 minutes, because this module right here will know that you cheated the system and you didn't wait 10 minutes. So it's very important. And once again, if that doesn't work and you tried over and over, it's time to call that number. I'm not a professional on changing this out. I will learn probably sometime in the future, but now that's pretty much all I can teach you is how to do the pilot light. But if this thing doesn't work after multiple times of you trying, it's time to call the the water heater maintenance people so that they can change this out, because there's probably further problems other than this. Okay, so another thing that to make sure is that you have the gas right there on the on position, so you have constant gas flow going through here. So that is a simple fix on how to get your water heater started again. What I think that what caused my water heater to stop working was my wife was using super hot on the washer. So if you take this cover right here, here is what's inside. The wiring that goes through here is connected to the thermocouple right there. Make sure that the connections on the thermocouple is properly connected. That could be one of the reasons why it's not lighting, is because you might have a loose wiring to your thermocouple. So just make sure that these are connected. See this window right here? Once you start pushing the pilot light and it starts working, you're gonna see a flame through this window, and that's when you know that you successfully have the pilot light working. If this pilot light method doesn't work, it might be because you have a bad igniter. I've had that issue before. I tried pushing the pilot light over and over and it didn't work, so I dug into here and I actually took this plate off, and inside there is the igniter, and I had to end up replacing that. But that's for another video. The next time that we come through here and I do end up having a bad igniter, I will show you guys and make a video on that. But this video is strictly only for pilot light method. So first things first, guys, is you want to assess the area. You want to smell for gas. If you smell gas in this area or close to this area in any way, you will need to leave your house right away and contact the gas company or emergency personnel so that they can assess the situation and fix the gas leak problem. Do not try to fix the gas leak problem yourself if you are not a trained professional, because it will be a very, very bad day. So once again, friends, thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and please press that subscribe button and notification bell so you can always be in tune with what's going on around my house. Projects like these, DIYs, and quick fixes like these that you can easily do at home. So once again, thank you once again, friends, for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video.